Hello, everyone. I'm your friend, Spark Teacher. Today, I have an exciting story for you. My first day in London, a journey to speak English. This is Lynn. She is 24 years old, and she comes from Vietnam. Lynn moves to London to learn English and find a new life. But she is very scared to speak. Her heart beats fast. Let's follow her first day in this big city. Listen carefully and practice with me. Part 1. The Scary Morning. It's 8 a.m. Lynn steps off the plane in London. The airport is huge, with red buses and tall buildings everywhere. She looks around and thinks, oh no, everyone speaks English, and I can't. Lynn wants to ask for help. She sees a man with a big bag. She says hello, but her voice is small. The man doesn't hear her. Lynn feels nervous. Her face turns red. Then, she drops her passport. Oh no, she says. A kind lady picks it up and says, are you okay? Lynn smiles and says, yes, thank you. Her first English word. Repeat after me. Hello. Take a deep breath and try again. Repeat after me. Yes. Thank you. Good job. Part 2. The Lost Bus Adventure. Lynn needs to go to her hotel. She finds a bus stop with a sign, bus stop, but she doesn't know which bus. She looks at the numbers, 10, 15, 25. Oh no, she thinks. She sees a woman with a map. Lynn walks to her and says, excuse me, bus? The woman looks confused and asks, which bus? Lynn panics. She says, bus 15? The woman laughs and says, yes. Good choice. Lynn feels happy, but then the bus comes fast. She runs and jumps on. Phew, she says. Repeat after me. Excuse me, bus? Practice it. You can do it. Repeat after me. Bus 15. Say it loud. Part 3. The Coffee Shop Surprise. Lynn is tired and hungry. She goes to a small coffee shop. She smells the coffee. It's so good. She wants to order, but she forgets the word. She points at the menu and says, coffee, please. The waiter nods and brings her a cup. Lynn feels happy, but then she spills the coffee. Oh no, she says. The waiter laughs and gives her a napkin. Lynn says, thank you, sorry. The waiter smiles and says, no problem. Lynn thinks, English is fun. Repeat after me. Coffee, please. Smile and say it. Repeat after me. Thank you, sorry. Practice both. Part 4. The Mysterious Park. Lynn walks to a park to rest. The trees are green and the air is fresh. But then, she hears a strange sound. Whisper. Whisper. Lynn looks around. She sees a man with a big dog. The man says, hi, I'm Tom. Do you like the park? Lynn is scared, but she tries. She says yes. I like. Tom smiles and says, great. What's your name? Lynn thinks hard and says, my name. Lynn. Tom says, nice to meet you, Lynn. She feels brave. Repeat after me. Yes, I like the park. Be confident. Repeat after me. My name is Lynn. Say your name, too. Part 5. The Funny Mistake. Lynn sits with Tom. She wants to ask, where's the station? But she mixes up the words. She says, where is the kitchen? Tom laughs loudly. Kitchen, he says. Lynn turns red and says, sorry. Station. Tom points and says, the station is there. Lynn laughs too. She thinks mistakes are okay. Then, Tom gives her a map. For you, he says. Lynn says, thank you. Repeat after me. Where is the station? Laugh and try. Repeat after me. Thank you. Feel the joy. Part 6. The happy evening by the river. It's evening. Lynn stands by the River Thames. The water shines with city lights. She thinks I was so scared, but now I speak English. Suddenly, Tom comes back with 2 friends. They say, Lynn, join us. Lynn feels nervous again, but she says, yes, thank you. They talk and laugh. Lynn thinks, London is my home now. The lesson is, be brave, make mistakes, and English will open the world. Let's answer questions. What does Lynn want at the coffee shop? A. Bread. B. Coffee. C. Water. Amazing job, everyone. Thank you for joining Lynn's exciting day in London. Practice English every day with EnglishSpark. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me, what's your first English word? See you next time.